1 cubit, 2 cubits, 3 cubits. It is here. It is the right distance. Come on, boy. Just a little further. Hey. Easy now. Stay here. Bronze, not iron. One, 2, 3, 5 cubits. 6 to the rise. This distance matches. Yes, this one has the strength. Look at that grain running through. Perfect. A keel of this size.
It's falling! Look out! Watch out! The scale is stuck!
The heartwood is sound. It's larger than the drawings. This will take every skill we have. Perfect. This one will do just fine for the ribs. Good size. Nice work. Now we've got the keel and the ribs. Matches the judgment. Rib material fits the keel scale.
Finally, perfectly aligned.
Yes. It's ready.
The ark is taking shape. The forest provides the wood. The mountains provide the stone. We are building in the hands of the wind.
Six times the cubit. Checking the next. 5 cubits and a hand. This one is true.
Yes.
That is the measure. The rib foot aligns here perfectly. Mark it to match the contact point. Accuracy of the fit is key. The shoulder contacts the keel. The fit is good. It's snug. No rotation, a perfect fit, just a few taps.
Aligned. Good. Let's secure it now.
The scent of cedar fills this place. So much effort, so much hope. The bitumen bag, this black glossy stone from Mesopotamia. See how my thumbnail sinks into it? The hull is secure. The tree nails and bitumen hold strong against the sea.
Hums softly, working with the Lord's hand.
Yes. That is perfect. It is done. The bitumen holds fast, perfectly sealed.
Hardened and ready. A perfect seal.
Oh, that's
Good.
Come on, easy now, we're almost there. Just a little further up. See? We made it. This sledge will hold. The hull is secure. Ready the men. The transport can begin. Keep going, old friend. Eeyore. Almost there. Just a little further.
Heave. Push.
Yes. It floats. It holds.
It holds. The ark is sound. No water. It's completely dry. Oh, perfect. Watertight. Wow.
Dry. No seepage. It holds. Time to see it one last time. He's almost at the trees. The marks of the keel. 29 days. The memory of the wood is here.
Goodbye, old friend.